Hey everyone, what's up? We're back to the trading recap for today, Monday here. It's October 11th, and guess what? No trades for me, absolutely zero. I found that there was just not much to trade today in the small cap world, but I want to hear from you guys. I want to find out what you traded today, and if you were red or green, or if you took any trades at all, like me today. So it's gonna be a quick one today, but yeah. Sitting at $0 today. I was eyeballing, there were a few that I will pull up here. Let me show you. PTGX was at the top of my list. Now, I didn't trade this one mainly because we had this incredible pre-market push, and it was very quick. Look at that one candle. In one candlestick, it massively spiked. But it reached a level where it kind of just consolidated and went sideways, all pre-market. And all in here, kind of the same thing, just trading sideways. We did have a nice push right in here, but I didn't get to the market till a little bit later today. So when I was looking for something to trade, I mean, I was looking at this, but it just wasn't moving very much. And I think it was just because it was very crowded. But I don't know the full details on the stock and exactly what that catalyst was. It looks like there was some news on it today. So, but in regards of quick day trading, nothing on that one. So let's hop over. The other one I was looking at, well, it's just at the top of the list here, ADMS. And this was just basically barcoding. This was sideways too. This might have been I don't know, a buyout or something. There's news on this as well. I don't know. Something going on there. But anyways, yeah, trading sideways, so nothing good to trade there. Yeah, so uneventful day. I wish it would have been a nice big green, green day to start the week. But you just get what you get. I mean, I feel like it's been a very slow start to October. Maybe some of that kind of extending from September, but I definitely want to hear from you guys to find out how you did today. And overall market, just looking on S&P 500 here, we had a nice kind of a bounce from last week and a nice move up. However, we kind of hit a topping point here and just absolutely reversed and crashed today. So look at the yearly chart here. Well, we're still down here in this dip. And just, side note too, I am an investor. I don't just day trade. I do have a portfolio just dedicated to, a retirement account that's, I always try to slowly accumulate stocks that I want to hold for the long term. And a lot of them are ETFs. There's a few of them that I have. VOO is one of them. They just kind of kind of do exactly what the overall market is doing. But I do want to let you guys know if you ever heard of the QQQs, the triple Qs. And these are pretty neat, but they're not necessarily good for, or at least they say, good for a long-term buy and hold strategies. Now, QQQ is definitely a better one, but basically a lot of these triple Q stocks like TQQ, this is one that I invest in a ton. These can be a bit dangerous in the sense that they are leveraged. So with TQQQ, which is one of my favorites, it is 3 times, basically it moves exactly how the market is moving, except it does 3 times that. So if we're going on a nice bull run in that particular day, then you're getting 3x, the returns on QQQ. But the same is for the downside. So when we're going on a big red day, you're getting 3x to the downside, which is pretty dangerous too. But I follow it pretty closely, so I try to just constantly buy in little bits when we get much bigger dips, and that's kind of my long-term strategy for at least this stock here. But I'm not a financial advisor, right? This channel is just entertainment purposes only, but I just wanted to share kind of one of my strategies. So this is a much riskier one, much higher returns if you can trade it, because it is kind of meant for short-term trading really instead of long-term holding. But that's also why I like TQQ, because it's not as leveraged. I think it's 2x. I have to go back and look, but so it doesn't have as volatile as swings. So for the long-term holds, I like that a little bit better. But yeah, that's just a little bit of what I invest in sometimes for the long run. And then of course I buy some other just general stocks that I've been holding for a while. Tesla, Facebook, a lot of tech stocks, Microsoft, all those different big tech heavy stocks. So anyways, that's a little bit about just, some of my longer term investing, since there was not much to trade today. So that's it for today. Take care. Have a good one. Let me know how you traded. Love to hear from you guys. Take care.